So after the crash, I mean, did y'all guys kind of like...
I didn't give a fuck about what my car is. I care about them.
Sure. I mean, were you guys going back and forth in the car or anything like that, or?
No.
Okay.
Baby, come out of the car, but I'm the one that was driving.
You were driving?
I was, yes, sir.
Huh. So what? I mean, so what happened then, brother?
She came up way too quick on this shit, bro. Like, she fucking stopped us, and like, that's it, bro. I'm sorry. I'll tell you.
Whose car is it?
It's her car.
Why are you driving?
Because she's my girlfriend.
Okay. Okay. So what happened after the crash?
I asked them if they can pull over politely, and if I could pay for it. I'm sorry, yeah.
Okay.
To be real. That's exactly what I did. I'm sorry. If you need to get me, it's okay. I'm sorry. Like, get me. I guess I have to figure this out right now. Let me ask you
this, brother. How tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot. How tall are you, ma'am?
5'2".
5'2". Okay. Let me ask you a question. Why is the front seat basically touching the steering wheel if you were driving?
Because
airbags came out.
No, I kept her. I told her to not change her fucking seats at all. I told her, I was like, cool.
Okay, cool. That doesn't make any sense. Go stand over there.
No, it does, brother.
Go stand over there.
It does, because I told her.
Go stand over there.
Babe.
I'm done talking to you. Go stand over here.
I apologize.
This is sharp police work. The boyfriend attempts to take the fall, but Officer Baden uses simple observation to dismantle the lie. A 6-foot man physically cannot drive a car with the seat adjusted for a 5'2" woman. The cover-up collapses because of basic ergonomics.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm sad.
You're sad?
Yeah.
Well, I can understand being sad.
Yeah.
Did you hit your head or anything like that?
I'm fine.
Okay. Do you have any kind of medical issues or anything like that? Did you lose consciousness or anything like that?
Shut up!
You're bipolar.
Stop! It doesn't matter. That shit doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm fine. No, nothing. Nothing. I didn't hit my head. I didn't do nothing.
Okay. Well, my name's Officer Baden. Whenever I come out to do DUI investigations.
It's fine.
So I'd like to talk to you, kind of figure out from your perspective what's going on.
It's fine.
In order to do that, I'm going to read you your rights real quick. You're not under arrest or anything like that. This is just so we can talk about it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay?
No, that is
All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney before you make a statement or answer any question, and the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you want an attorney but cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning free of charge. You may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may use any of these rights before and you may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may stop the interview at any time. Okay, do you understand these rights?
I'm not talking right now because you already lied to me. So sit the car.
Are you willing to answer questions or make a statement without an attorney being present?
Yeah.
Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Has anybody threatened you, coerced you, or promised you anything to cause you to answer questions or make a statement? Okay. What happened?
I don't know. He was driving.
He was driving. Why is the front seat all the way touching the steering wheel? And you're 5'2" and he's 6 foot.
I don't know.
I was driving because I'm a fucking idiot.
Yeah, I know.
I told her not to drive. I'm an idiot.
You know what's crazy is cameras don't lie.
That's fine. We can look at the cameras.
I already did. That's why I'm asking to give y'all one last chance.
And I didn't fucking jump in front of her.
Here, come over this way for me. How old are you?
26.
26? Okay. How long have you had this car?
Maybe like 2 years.
2 years? How long have you and him been together?
Maybe like 3 months.
3 months? You're gonna let him drive your car after 3 months?
Clearly not. Bro, I'm so sad.
Okay. Where are you guys coming from?
Tampa.
Tampa's a big city, so...
I don't know, Soho. Like, I'm not from here.
Okay. Where are you trying to go?
I don't know. Soho, so like, whatever. I live in St. Pete. I live right next to the Tropicana.
Okay. Okay. So you're coming from Soho. Which road were you on?
So I feel like we were on this road. We were at Bar Howard, wherever that is.
Wait a second.
I don't know where that is. Yeah, Bar Howard.
Okay. How long were you guys over there for?
Maybe like 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was fucking talking to her about my shit.
Stop talking.
I know.
I was
so
the one that got
annoying.
this
Hang tight.
here. I'm sorry, brother. I'm really sorry. This is me.
Come over here. Come over here.
And then get me, bro. I'm sorry. Get me.
Shut your mouth, okay? You can shut your mouth. Is what you're going to do.
Please?
This is what you're going to do.
Brother, I'm terrible. Can you please let her go? Please
This
let
is
her
what
go.
you're going to do.
Can you please let her go, bro?
You're going to sit in here,
Bro,
and you're going to
please.
shut your mouth.
I love that woman.
Slide in.
Please, can you
Slide
please let her go?
in.
Can you please let her go, bro?
Stop talking.
Is he in my car?
Yeah, I put him in your back seat.
All right.
He's not handcuffed or anything, but he's just in there. Okay, so you said you guys were coming from Bar Howard.
Yeah,
How long were you over there for?
like 45 minutes.
Okay.
I can tell you exactly because I put it on my car. My like.
Okay. Okay. And did you say you have any medical issues or anything like that? Do you take any kind of medications? How much have you had to
I
drink
do.
tonight?
I do take medication.
What kind of medications you take?
Yeah. So. You want to know the exact medications I
Yeah.
take
All those at the same time?
at the same time?
Okay.
Like I have a prescription bottle. if
Okay,
you really
fair
wanna
enough.
see it.
Fair enough. Have you taken all those today?
Yes.
Okay. What time do you take them?
I usually take them at night, but I took them probably at like 6. Because I like take my meds at 6 p.m.
So you take them at 6 every night?
Yeah.
Is that kind of like your normal routine?
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Okay. All right, well, let me ask you this. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks?
You can breathalyze me, you can do whatever.
Okay.
I'm just,
Well, can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
yeah.
Okay. Tell you, what's your name?
Angelique.
Angelique? Angelique, stand right here with my flashlight for me. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Do you have them in right now?
Yeah.
All right, put your feet together for me. Okay. Can you put your feet all the way together? There you go. Hands down by your side. Can you see my light?
Like together?
Look, see how my feet are touching? Can
Yeah.
you get your feet to touch?
So,
There you go.
yeah.
All right. Can you see my light? What color is my light?
It's red.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this red light from side to side. What I want you to do is focus on this red light, follow it with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Okay? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can relax. All right, so after the crash, what exactly happened? I mean, so were you coming up to this red light?
Yeah.
Okay. So after the crash, what happened?
What happened?
Mm-hmm. How did y'all end up in the parking lot? From
Yeah, they were like, I mean, we hit them,
Okay.
and they were like, oh, what's your insurance? And I gave them my insurance.
Okay.
And, I mean, that was pretty much it. They were like, they wanted to know. I mean, of course, they wanted to know, like, who's going to fix their car.
Sure.
Yes, and 100%. And I was like, here's my insurance, here's my phone. If you need whatever, like, here you go.
Okay. Okay. So after the crash, I mean, did y'all guys kind of like
I don't give a fuck about what my car is. I care
No, I
about
got
them.
you. Sure. I mean, were you guys going back and forth in the car or anything like that, or?
No.
Okay. All right, Angelique, I'm seeing some things in your eyes that's giving me some concern as far as your level of sobriety. If I should do a couple other field sobriety exercises, would you be willing to do them for me?
Yeah.
Okay. I see you got high heels on. The rest of the exercises are going to include taking 9 heel-to-toe steps and then standing on one foot. Do you want to take your shoes off?
No.
You want to leave them on? Okay. All right, tell you what, Angelique, let's, can you walk over this way for me? Hey, will you stand by with her for a second? Will you just stand right there on my flashlight? I'm going to move my car. I'm going to come right back to you, okay? All right, Angelique, come over this way for me. All right. I'm going to have you stand right here on my flashlight. All right. So you're going to turn around and face back towards the store here. So do you see this white line right here? What I want you to do is put your left foot on that white line. There you go. Take your right foot, touch heel to toe in front of your left foot.
I have heels on though.
I know. Do you want to take your shoes off?
Kind of.
Yeah, take your shoes off.
Woo-hoo. Hold on, let me hold you.
All right. All right, so left foot on the line. Right foot touch heel to toe in front of your left foot. Okay.
Ooh.
Make sure you're touching heel to toe. There you go. Hands on by your side. And then just stay like that until I tell you to begin. Okay? When I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Okay? I want you to keep your hands down by your side. I want you to look down at your feet, and I want you to count each step out loud as you take it.
9.
9 of them. Okay? So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, so 4, so on till 9. Now once you get to 9, you're going to keep your front foot still. You're going to take your back foot off the line, and then take a series of small steps to turn around, just like this.
Okay.
Okay? Once you get turned back around, you're going to take 9 more heel-to-toe steps back down the line, just like you did the first time, with your first step being number 1. So 1, 2, 3, so forth, so until 9. Okay? Once you start, I don't want you to stop. Do you have any questions? Do you understand the instructions? Okay. Make sure you're touching right foot, heel to toe in front of your left. So this is like, no, this is 0. Okay? Hands down by your side. Yep. So right.
0.
Yep. So the first time you move is going to be step number 1.
You want me to touch my 1?
Here, hang on.
2.
So every time you take a step back. Take a step back. So every time you step, you're going to touch heel to toe. Okay. So this is 0. The first time you go is going to be 1. Okay.
1. Like that?
Nope. So right now this is 0. Your right foot in front is going to be 0.
Okay.
Okay.
Now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How do you want me to do it?
Just like I showed you and just like I explained to you. Okay, you can relax. All right, I'm having you stand right here with my flashlight, so don't worry about the lines anymore. All right, so face towards the front of my car. There you go. Feet
That
together.
one?
Yep, right there. So,
Which one? On this side or this side?
whichever, I don't care. So feet together, hands on by our side. When I tell you to begin, what I want you to do is raise 1 foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. So 6 inches is about the length of a $1 bill. Can of Coke, I'm not going to measure, just in that ballpark. Okay. So you can be your left or right foot, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to show you raising my right. If you feel like raising your left, I don't care. That's fine.
All right.
Yeah. So you're going to keep both legs straight. You're going to keep your hands down by your side. You're going to raise 1 foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. Point your toe forward in front of you to keep your foot parallel with the ground below you. I want you to look down at your toe and then count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so forth, so on until I tell you to stop. Now, if for whatever reason you put your foot down, just pick it right back up and continue where you left off. Okay, do you have any questions?
I don't think so.
Okay, do you understand the instructions?
I think so.
All right, you can go ahead and begin.
So you said 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. I don't know when I'm supposed to
I want
stop.
you to keep going until I tell you to stop.
1006, 1007. 2008, 2009, 2010.
Okay, you can relax. All right, so feet together for me. Hands down by your side. All right. What I want you to do now is go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. So what's going on right now is you're getting placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay. We get down to booking. I'm going to ask that you submit to a breath sample that's going to measure the amount of alcohol that you have in your system. Now, if you don't, there'll be some penalties that'll go along with that. Namely, your license would get suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your license is previously suspended for prior refusal. Okay. Will you provide a breath sample for me tonight, Angelique?
Can I put my shoes back on?
Do you have any other shoes in the car besides the high heels? All right, I'll take them with you, but it's going to be
Can I
easier.
put them back on?
It's going to be easier if you just walk barefoot right now. Here, will you start your right foot? All right, do you have anything in the car that you want to take with you, like a wallet or a cell phone or anything like that?
I don't have my phone.
What kind of phone is it?
The iPhone 14.
Is it a specific color? Black? Does it have a case on it?
No, it doesn't.
No?
No, it has like a mirror case on it.
Okay.
It has a
Okay. Yeah, I'll see if I can grab it. Do you have a purse or a wallet or anything like that?
No, that's my purse.
Yeah, so you have like credit cards in your phone? Okay. I can't get it. I got it unclipped, but...
Kind of all. Oh, I think
I don't do jewelry though.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Here, open your mouth. Put your tongue up to your roof. Tongue up. Okay. Grab a seat. Okay. Hey, hang on just a second. Let me get her stuff first. Come on out. Alright, just hang tight right here. Alright, we're going to go through this green door over here. We're going to be on this side of the building for
I
about...
don't need my shoes.
I got them with you.
Okay.
They're going to take them off anyway.
No, I got
So
it.
it's going to be harder for you to put them on and then take them back off anyway. But I got them with you, so whenever you get out, you can have something to wear.
Yeah.
Angelique eventually admitted to driving and blew a staggering 0.244% BAC, 3 times the legal limit. This case proves that while loyalty is admirable, lying to the police when physical evidence contradicts you is a losing strategy. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more real body cam analysis.